and welcome back to Only Guns. So today we've got something a little bit different today. We've got 2 borrowers instead of 1. We're taking Mum with us today, so say hello Mum.
Hi, I'm Mandy the Midget and I'm going to show these pair up big time.
Well, we'll soon find out. We'll see you down there. We've just got Billy Marston, and today we'll all be shooting the 410 26-inch bolt action shotgun. So let's jump into it. Right, let's try this out. I'm really no good for this guy. Pull. I think it's my win today. Give me a big pull. There we go.
Yeah. Right, pull.
Miss the bucket, Charlotte.
Yeah, I'll pick it up, I'll pick it up. Right, pull.
Just over the top.
Pull.
Ow, God, that really hurt my shoulder.
Yeah, go on then.
Really hurt. I'm doing something wrong.
This one will be a bit easier than the first one. Pull.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
I didn't see you get that one.
Oh, falling me out already.
They're harder to get the bullets out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Pull. Oh, I didn't get that one.
Right, pull. Right, pull. That one's a bit quick.
Right. Right, no. Go on then.
Maybe you should go first so I get to see where they're coming from.
Yeah, alright then.
Pull. Pull.
I think we'll have 2 A's.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know about that.
Right, pull.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hello.
You have another A?
I will do, yeah.
Yeah. Did you say pull?
Pull.
Oh, Steve's earphones.
Oh, just over the top.
Over the top, high again.
Okay.
Pull.
What was that?
I don't know, it looked like she hit that.
No way.
Did it?
Definitely not.
Pull.
What's with the delay and hesitation? This one's really high.
It's a beautiful day and I can't stop. So come smiling.
Oh.
Oh, good grief.
Not doing as bad as I thought it's gone.
You've been coming in the week while I'm at work or
Whoa.
something. Practicing.
Oh.
Oh.
Right. Pull. Too fast for me, that was.
Close.
Was it?
Yeah.
Think I should do an eye again?
No. We'll let you have that 2 A's and that hut, and that is all.
Right, B. Aye. Pull. That goes too fast and far.
That way.
Yep.
Pull.
You hesitated.
Pull.
Hesitated again.
Why do I keep doing that?
One in it, yeah?
Yep.
You pulling my leg,
Nope.
trying to get me out of a shot, yeah? Pull.
Oh, is that what that one does?
Yeah. This one's pretty cool. Pull. Oh.
Two.
He's got some catching up today.
Pull. No. Oh,
What did you do then?
I thought I had the safety on. Is that a practice shot?
No, it was not a practice shot. You gutted.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let you have another A for that.
Thank you.
We'll let you have another one.
Right. Pull. How did I miss again? How? Pull.
Oh, nearly had that. Oh, pull.
What is wrong with you guys today? Pull. Oh.
What we'll do is when he says pull A, I'll pull B. We'll sabotage him. Yeah, shall we?
That's cheap then. Pull. Like that one.
Did you hit it?
You did. Pull. Right. Pull.
Over the top.
Pull.
Ow, that really hurt again.
Pull.
That looked loads better, that shot did.
Yeah.
Pull. That A always confuses me.
Yeah, because it's like,
It says it's coming from that way, but it's not.
oh, it comes from here.
Yeah. Pull.
Pull. Jesus. Pull.
Pull. Pull.
Pull A.
Yeah.
Pull. Oh, I missed that one. Pull. Let's give her 2 Bs.
Pull. 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 Pull.
Well underneath. Pull.
Did you get that?
No. Pull. No.
No. Oh, first one, he's got none.
Right. Pull. Jesus.
This one's a hard one.
Pull. Pull. Pull.
Stop hesitating.
I nearly got that.
There'll be no way on earth it'll happen. But should we try it?
Nah.
Pull.
Oh.
Nearly.
No. Right. Pull. Take 2 out of 2.
Two,
Well, 2
yeah.
out of 4.
Pull. 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 Pull.
At least there was no hesitation.
No, they weren't there.
Pull. Yeah. Pull. Oh, I missed it.
You did.
Go on.
Pull.
Yes.
Yay!
Yeah.
Shit, I really wanted to come last.
Right, I'm having an A again then, was it?
No, it's a
No.
B. It's a B.
Come on, don't be like that. Right, B. Right. Pull.
Yes.
Whoa! 2 out of 2.
Pull. Pull.
Pull. Oh.
Bit too quick for you.
Do you know what I like B? But I usually get A. I don't think I'll get B.
It's getting a bit nervous now because I'm a bit too sharp.
Sweating. I'm sweating. Pull. Oh. 0.
Is the pressure on?
The pressure's on.
Right, pull. Right, pull.
Hey, that was a shot.
Pull.
Wait that little bit long. Close. Get 1 shot each in this one. Gonna have to do a hip shot, like all the bonus hops. Pull. Oh,
Oh.
Hell yeah.
Right. Pull.
There we go. Professional.
Pull.
Oh. Thank you for watching another episode of Only Guns. Unfortunately, the borrowers did not bring together this episode. But maybe the next episode. Peace out.